So I know a lot of you come to my channel and wonder what I really want from you. You guys are usually confused as to which product, what to do and all of that because you're not just that person. And as much as in an ideal scenario, this is not the only skincare routine that I would like for you to follow. But of course, as a skincare creator, I definitely need to put in mind that there's people like you who do not like to deal with a lot of products, who don't like the confusion of picking through different products. So today you're definitely in the right place because I'm going to be creating a unisex and also minimalist skincare routine for you. With this routine, you should be able to simplify taking care of your skin as well as getting the best out of your skincare routine. My channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Dikan, aka Dikoko, aka Queen of DIYs. Hold that one first. I'm going to be posting new DIY videos for you guys soon, so please do not crucify me for not posting one of those in a while. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey my darling, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm always so excited to have you guys. Please, if you're not subscribed, definitely make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified every single time that I post the video. So in today's video, like the title suggests, we are creating a skincare routine for minimalists, people that don't just like dealing with a lot of products or doing too much to their skin. And also specifically, there could be people that are extremists in other parts of their life, but when it comes to their beauty regimen or their skincare routine, they just want to simplify things because they just feel like it's not that hard or they shouldn't do too much. Fear not, you're in the right place today. As your plug, as always, I'm going to be creating you a very effective but simple skincare routine. First, if you've been here before, you know the drill. Please thumbs up this video to let YouTube know that you like my content. It goes a long way in helping me grow, and also it does let me know that you guys like the content that I'm dishing out, so definitely do that for me. I had already created like a skincare routine for beginners, so you can definitely check that video out if you want additional knowledge on what to do with your skin or what product to go for. But in this video today, I'm going to be specific with what you would really need on your skin as a minimalist. Now, as we do know already, for the basics, we do have two things that we should definitely do to our skin, which is definitely cleansing and moisturizing. But of course, in today's world, we are no longer ignorant as to the importance of protecting your skin. So I'm going to add a third one to that, which would definitely be protecting your skin with sunscreen. So first, before we get into the body routine, let us create a face routine for us. Now, for your face, of course, you will need a cleanser, a moisturizer, and SPF, which is a sun protection factor. So now I'm going to recommend a good brand that actually would work for all skin types. So whatever skin category you are, you can definitely use this product on your skin, and that would be the COSRX Snail Mucin line. That line carries a cleanser, a moisturizer, a serum, an eye cream, I think an eye patch as well. I don't know what other things they carry, but the specifics that I'm talking about in this video today would be their cleanser, their essence toner, a moisturizer, and also their sunscreen. Now, this product range is a great one because as minimalists, we want products that we can use day and night. We don't want to put too much products on our shelves. So yeah, the COSRX line would definitely do you good because it moisturizes your skin, it protects your skin, it repairs the skin barrier. It just has a lot of benefits for the skin, especially for the snail mucin that is present in this line. And snail mucin is an ingredient that is very good in repairing the skin barrier, also moisturizing the skin and just keeping your skin healthy and hydrated. And this is why I chose this particular product range for people that wouldn't want to deal with a lot of products but have their products do a lot for them. Now, of course, for morning and evening, you're definitely going to wash your face with the cleanser, and the next product you'll be putting on your skin would be the Snail Mucin Essence Toner. And after you're done with that, you can then moisturize your skin with the moisturizer, and the moisturizer is very rich. I love that moisturizer specifically. Now, during the day, you want to make sure that you protect your skin with sunscreen. So during the day, you're using 4 of these products. You're using the cleanser, the toner, the essence toner, the moisturizer, and also the sunscreen. And at night, you want to use the cleanser, of course, the essence toner to balance out your skin again, and then get into your skin with a moisturizer. And of course, you can go to bed after your routine. Now, moving on to the body. For the body, you would not need to do too much. honestly, you can just use a moisturizing lotion for your body. But one thing I recommend for daytime would be using sunscreen on your skin after you've moisturized with your lotion. Now, for a moisturizing lotion that you could use on your skin, I've done a lot of videos for good moisturizing lotions on this channel. You can definitely check out any of those videos to find which lotion resonates with you or could work better for your skin, and the one you can find in your location. But I always recommend lotions from Nivea and also Dove, and also lotions from the brand Aveeno, and also the brand called Jeggings. So these brands here, they carry like good moisturizing lotions for the body. You don't need to break the bank to get a good hydrating moisturizing lotion. You get one of those and you can get on with your moisturizing game. Sunscreen would help in keeping your skin protected from all the harshness of the sun while your skin is being moisturized with your lotion. Now, of course, as a minimalist, you could use one lotion for morning and night, but for night you would not need to include your sun protection factor because there's no sun to deal with. But another thing I would recommend for your body at night, even though you're a minimalist, would be some sort of an exfoliating lotion. Now, my top exfoliating moisturizing lotion is the one from 11 Village Factory. That one contains an exfoliant called glycolic acid, which is top notch for exfoliating the skin. Now, why you want to include an exfoliating lotion at night would be that at night our skin works harder in regenerating our skin cells. So if you're using an exfoliating lotion to hasten this process, then you would definitely have the luxury of waking up with smoother skin, renewed skin, and brighter skin. So yeah, a tweak that you can make to just have better skin is replacing your normal moisturizing lotion for an exfoliating lotion at night. Now, of course, as a minimalist, you would also need to include some treatments of some sort, especially if you have some issues with your skin. And that would be why I recommended an exfoliating lotion as a treatment for nighttime for your body. Now, for daytime treatment for the face, as people that do not want to deal with too much, let me recommend two potent ingredients that would work so well in taking care of your skin. Now, first would be vitamin C. You guys know we love vitamin C on this channel. That is because of its skin brightening effect, its ability to also clear out fine line and wrinkles from the skin, also its ability to deal with hyperpigmentation issues like dark spots on the skin, and also basically its skin plumping and glowing effect. Now, my top two recommendations would be the one from Kiehl's, the brand called Kiehl's, and also a brand called COSRX. I'm going to leave some options as well in the description bar in case any of this is not available to you. Definitely including a vitamin C specifically in a serum form would definitely change your skincare game. And now this would go after you've used your essence toner, then you use your vitamin C serum before you use your moisturizer like I earlier recommended. Now, another ingredient that I would recommend for daytime treatment would be azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is one that I love. This is because all skin types can definitely get away with using azelaic acid. Azelaic acid would help you with acne issues, it will help you with hyperpigmentation issues, it will help you with blackheads, whiteheads, and all of that. Now, azelaic acid is a very potent cell turnover ingredient that would just help in combating a lot of issues on the skin. It would help in brightening the skin. It would also help in fading away fine line and wrinkles on the skin and all those other things that you're dealing with. It is basically multi-purpose, hence why I love this particular treatment for the skin. If you're someone that doesn't want to deal with a lot of ingredients, you can definitely opt for a vitamin C treatment or azelaic acid, and azelaic acid definitely being my top treatment ingredient in this category. Azelaic acid would most likely be recommended in some places, but you can definitely go for some over-the-counter one, like the one from The Ordinary. I specifically like the one from The Ordinary because it is a 2-in-1 product, which means that it would treat with the azelaic acid in it and then moisturize your skin as well. So after you've used this, then you can then go on with your sunscreen. But also, if you cannot get your hands on the azelaic acid moisturizer from The Ordinary, you can definitely get azelaic acid from the pharmacy if you do live in a region where you can access that. I do, but I don't know for other places. And the one I'll recommend from the pharmacy is the one from 20% and below. I haven't seen anyone that is above 20% yet, but definitely go for 20% and below from your pharmacy. If you cannot access azelaic acid from your location directly in the pharmacy, then you can get your doctor to prescribe this for you. Now, moving on to nighttime treatment, I would recommend retinol. Now, retinol is a very potent cell renewal ingredient as well. It is good for all skin types. In the past, we were advised to get older before we use retinol, but now that we know better, we know that from your 20s, you can definitely use retinol to boost your cell turnover, of course. So 2 retinol products that I will recommend for this is the one from The Ordinary as well, and also the one from Advanced Clinicals. These are 2 retinol serums that are definitely great in boosting and hastening your skin cell turnover. Now for nighttime, tretinoin is also another class of cell turnover ingredient, but for tretinoin you would always need prescription, so you might not want to go through all of that hassle. So I would advise that you stick to the one from Advanced Clinicals or the one from The Ordinary. Now when applying your serums on your skin, you know it goes in between your toner or your essence toner and your moisturizer. So your serum is what goes on your skin before your moisturizer. Now apart from cell turnover, another thing you want to consider is exfoliation of some sort for your face. So you would need to include a product that contains an exfoliant of some sort. My favorite would be glycolic acid, because a lot of skin types can get away with using glycolic acid. Now for an exfoliating product, the one I would recommend would be the one from The Ordinary, which is their glycolic acid. I think it's about 10 or 12%, I'm not sure, but they are glycolic acid toner. So how you would use this at night is on a different day when you're not using your retinol serum. You would then use your glycolic acid toner to tone your skin before you get on with the essence toner, and then moisturize before you go to bed. So now let's go over what we've discussed so far. For daytime, you would need a cleanser, a moisturizer and sunscreen, and then for treatment for your face you would need either azelaic acid or vitamin C. And now for nighttime, you would need a cleanser, a toner or an essence toner, and your moisturizer. And a treatment that you could include in your nighttime regimen should be retinol, and I have recommended some retinol serums for you. And on other days where you're not using your retinol serum, then you could use an exfoliating toner of some sort and then still moisturize your skin as usual. And also for body, for the daytime, I recommend using a moisturizing lotion on your body and protecting your body with sunscreen. And for nighttime, I would say you can use the same lotion on your body, or you can use an exfoliating lotion of some sort. And the one that I recommended for this would be the one from 11 Village Factory. So yeah, that'll be it for this video today. So even if you're a beginner, you're a minimalist, you're male or female, this routine should definitely work for you, or should go a long way in helping you see improvements on your skin. So definitely stick to this routine. I also have other videos on my channel where I shared very simple skincare routine for beginners. So if you think this routine might not work for you, or maybe you can't have access to the products that I've mentioned in this video, then you can check out that video. I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen. It's also a good one for creating a very minimal but effective skincare routine. If you're not subscribed by now, then definitely make sure that you subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post a video. If you do have any questions for me, you can leave them in the comment section, then I'll do well to answer them. Or if you have any comments that you want to share with us, then leave it in the comment section. Or if you want me to know that you were here, then please leave some love hearts in the comment section for me, and I'll definitely reply. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and as usual, I wish you a beautiful, luscious and perfect skin, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah.